Campus Solutions page for students will open up. To drop a class, find Manage Classes and click on it. The View My Classes window will open. Find the Drop Classes tab located on the left-hand side of the window and click on it. Proceed by selecting the term. The Select Classes to Drop window will open. Here, you'll see a list of classes you're currently enrolled in. Under the Select column, choose the class you want to drop, then click the box next to it. After selecting the class you want to drop, find and click Next, located in the upper right-hand corner of the window. The Review Classes to Drop window will open. If everything is correct, find and click the Drop Classes box located on the upper right-hand side of the window. A pop-up asking you to confirm your choice will appear. Click Yes if everything is correct. The confirmation page will appear, informing you that you've successfully dropped the class, and you're all done. Need help or have any questions? Just send an email to helpdesk@cc.peralta.edu.